Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In the previous class, we discussed language development in children. In today's class, we will study another very important topic, which is theories of language development. We will understand how different psychologists like Skinner, Chomsky, and Vygotsky explain language learning. So, let us begin today's session and understand these theories in detail. Language development is influenced by different psychological theories. Various psychologists that explain how children acquire language. In this class, we will study three important theories: Skinner's behaviorist theory, Chomsky's nativist theory, Vygotsky's social cultural theory. These theories are very important for CTET exam. Skinner's behaviorist theory. B.F. Skinner proposed the behaviorist theory of language development. According to this theory, language is learned through imitation, reinforcement, and conditioning. Children learn language by imitating adults, receiving rewards, reinforcement, practicing repeatedly. Example: a child says a correct word and get prize. Learning is a strengthened. Key points of Skinner's theory: language is learned through environment, reinforcement strengthens learning, learning occurs through stimulus response mechanism. Limitations of Skinner's theory does not explain creative use of language. Children can form new sentences without imitation. Ignores the role of biological factors. Chomsky's nativist theory. Noam Chomsky proposed the nativist theory. According to this theory, language ability is innate, means inborn. Children are born with a special abilities called language acquisition device, means LAD. This helps children learn language naturally. Key points of Chomsky's theory: language is biologically determined. Children learn language naturally. LAD helps in understanding grammar. Example: children can form sentences they have never heard before. Limitation of Chomsky's theory: ignores the role of environment and interaction, does not explain how social context affects language. Now, Vygotsky's social cultural theory. Lev Vygotsky emphasized the role of social interaction. According to this theory, language develops through interaction with others. Children learn language by communicating with parents, teachers, peers. Language is both a communication tool and a thinking tool. Key concept of Vygotsky: social interaction is essential. Language develops through communication. Concept of private speech. Learning occurs through guidance, means ZPD. Comparison of theories. Theory Skinner focuses on environment and reinforcement. Chomsky innate ability, means LAD. Vygotsky social interaction. All three theories explain different aspects of language development. Education implications. Teachers should provide language a rich environment, encourage interaction and communication, use reinforcement and feedback, support natural language development. This helps students develop strong language skills. Important CTET points: Skinner, behaviorist, means imitation and reinforcement. Chomsky, nativist, LAD, innate ability. Vygotsky, social interaction. These theories are frequently asked in a CTET. So, friends, in today's class, we discuss different theories of language development and how children learn language. We learn about Skinner's behaviorist theory, Chomsky's nativist theory, and Vygotsky's social cultural theory. Understanding these theories helps teachers improve language teaching methods in the classroom. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in the CTET CDP complete series. In the next class, we will discuss concept of intelligence means IQ, types and theories. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next class.